welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a very helpful tool known as Infogram. Now, the thing about Infogram is that it is a visualization and infographic platform, and you can use it to design a lot of things like infographics, reports, slides, dashboards, your social media posts, and even your web and mobile layouts. Now, that is a very helpful marketing tool. How is it a helpful marketing tool, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. Digital marketing is mostly made up of a lot of content, and it involves text as well as visual content. And visually appealing content is something that is a huge advantage in the world of digital marketing. So in order to excel, you need to create stuff that is visually appealing by using advanced tools. And Infogram is something like that. Infogram helps you create stuff for your content, and we're going to explore its purposes and its uses today. Now, the version that we are on right now, it's a basic account. It's a free account. You can upgrade it to a premium account and it will give you a lot of other advantages as well. For now, we're just going to be exploring the features of the basic account. So let's just click on this recent chart and we're going to edit it. You can see that this is a chart. It has metrics that are editable and it has, let's explore the sidebar. You can add text, you can add chart, you can add map, you can add graphics, you can add shapes, and you can also integrate videos and other material by using the sources listed right here. Now, how cool is that? And you can also manage the chart that you're building and its look by editing the data and all the settings here. You can align the data and you can align the charts according to your wishes, and you can also manage the height and width and rotation, and there are so many properties that you can manage here in order to create something visually appealing for your own content or for your own purpose. So go ahead and use it today in order to create something really visually appealing and cool.